I never had this happen before. We've had bad things happen with shippers. I was walking up from across the street and I'm like, where's the bed that was on that truck? And I was hoping Clay pulled it off because it was loose, but no, he lost the bed on the way here. Nobody's getting paid for this load. I'm not paying him anything. I refuse. Totally, completely lost the bed off the back of the truck on the way here somewhere. I'm gonna have to take the bed off the other one to make a complete truck now. Been hauling a lot my whole life. I don't understand how you don't know a truck bed's loose.
Yeah, you look fine.
Over there, that's just going to turn into a parts truck. We need the bed now for the other one.
Not gonna work the fenders.
I'm absolutely not paying anybody for this. They will have to call the cops. They will have to sue me. They will have to do whatever they have to do. I'm not paying a dime for this. They came up here missing basically half a truck, and the dude had no idea that it even fell off. You don't get paid for that. It's not, I hired a shipper to like do it right, or I would have done it myself. In closing thoughts, that works out for me in the end. Yeah, I didn't pay for the delivery, but I'd rather have the bed. I would have rather had the bed and paid the guy for his delivery. But it is what it is. The bed cost and the shipment cost are about the same. So I told his boss, I'm not paying you. I would rather have the bed, but you know, we're close enough that I'm just gonna call it that's it. I've never had this happen before. I've had shippers, real dumb stuff, you know, like lose like some parts out of the small stuff, real little insignificant stuff. A whole truck bed though, that's like half a vehicle bounced on the highway. You could have killed somebody. That's just, it's insane. You can't let them go on stuff like this. You got to hold them accountable. That guy hopefully will never ever do that again, because that could have bounced off and caused a major accident. Maybe it did. He doesn't know. He didn't stop. There's no motor in that one, I don't believe.
Yes, there is. There's a V8 in this one, and there's like a first shifter and stuff.
I never asked this dude what.
This motor was put in here. Some kind of mounts on factory, I don't think. Dude, you want a pair of underwear? It's nasty. There's a hole in it. I won't hold water. But them manifolds were ram horns. That's pretty cool. That's probably that one. The truck. We'll pull it in the bed too. I just want to see if it turns real quick. I might be able to get on one of those bolts. It might be a different size though. Nope, it ain't gonna turn like that. We're gonna have to go from the other side. We might have to take that dust cover off and turn it that way. Probably what we're gonna have to do. It was worth a shot trying it that way. By the heads, I didn't really get to run the numbers, but by the heads, there should be a power pack head. You know, these heads match that number. This would be a 283 power pack, but you know, that's not saying that's what it is. It could be something else by this number. I gotta clean it off real good so I can read it, but we didn't really get that far yet. That paint kind of makes some of them hard to see. I guess tomorrow we'll be digging into that some. We're cleaning all this off. Hopefully it runs. That would be cool. Someone there. Good old Hurst on the floor. I'm gonna rip all this shaggy carpet out of here, outdoor carpet. There's the original carburetor. There's a door handle. That's that one over there. That's down in the seat. Yeah, so that's that. Well, I want to get tires on them before anything. So walk out.
Is that? Oh, that's a cap. Because the one has the cap, but it's missing the 4x4, right?
Yeah, these didn't come off this.
Okay.
These came off like maybe like an 80s Chevy. I think I have 2 more with the centers like this. Just in case anything happens, it catches it. I didn't even take them lights off. Should get it washed and the beauty rings and stuff put back on. Get that all done with. We're gonna have to use the machine a good bit for the fenders, I think. Get some of this junk out of here real quick. Some of the bigger metal stuff all out of the way. Gonna put one of the radiator hoods. An old Craftsman wrench. Here's one of the things I was worried about getting out of there.
Door handle.
I'll take the seat out to get the rest of this. I can see the bolts pretty good too. Does that have a lever thing over there? I think this one will.
There it is.
Can't wait to have this carpet out of here. Whites, greens. See how that green is under everything? The truck's originally that green color. It's not the teal. The teal was painted over, then the blue was painted over that. This is some kind of primer. So we're going to have a grays and all kinds of crazy colors. Look awesome teal. It's just the original color is green. I don't know if you want me to go that far because it's going to.
Sherwood green, teal, and blue.
Yeah.
Get the blue off.
I'll try to get all that
Yeah.
if I can. But what some of it's going to end up looking like is I stripped a lot of this.
That's okay.
That
Yeah.
will look cool with sauce.
Yeah. This blue's awful.
Yeah,
Get
I'll
the
try to
blue
get as
off.
much off as I can, you know.
Try if the degreaser ain't cutting it. And put this stripper on it.
There's going to be some of that green showing, some of that white showing. See, there's a spongy side to this. It kind of holds water. This is the hard side. We're using the soft. So it kind of bends along the shapes and stuff too. And you can see it's taking it. That'll turn the rust and it'll look cool. Ah, I'm fucking eyes and shit. I got room on this side, dude. Oh, anything?
No, bud. Not even a smidge.
Oh, we can check the cylinders. Me. There it is. If there's any oil in it. A little bit. There's all different colors on this. Blue
Yeah.
is where it starts getting into teal and green.
You're an artist on this one, you know.
Or, I don't know if you like this blue and the white, how it pops together.
I just don't like this blue that looks like it came out of a rattle can.
Yeah.
Or we could get down to like even a better blue.
Yeah.
Fresh Patina has like all the spots for like this right here. This is probably legit. This was a wear spot from going in and out of the bed.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you're gonna go deep anywhere, go where it would be like a natural spot. Like this is always a spot that's worn. So in the front fenders, like my dad always says, like when I'm looking at something,
This
figure out
thing's
if
awesome.
it's real or not. Is it? Oh, good.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know. So I bought you the sponges too because I thought
I
that
was
might
using
be.
one of those to at one, but this,
That's the screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
This is nice.
Okay, well they sell that at Home Depot, so.
So maybe we can get this one to run.
Okay.
Because that would be nice if this one ran.
Yeah, run the numbers on it too.
Okay.
Take probably this original mirror off. Yeah, I would take this off of here. This is an international mirror anyways, look at that. Zip it on that. It's an international mirror somebody put on.
Today, it's just a test. This is what I like to use. Like a little section right here to show the difference. So yeah, this is right here. Here, look. I took all that off. Half. I might have a couple of shots after that. We're gonna we're just gonna spread this out probably a hair further and then let the bolts drag it in, pull it whatever way it's gonna go. That's all we're gonna do. That way it's on there. If anyone wants to do anything more with it, they can do it more with it. that about as far?
Where else would you?
See what we can do.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. It's still in some up there, but that's hard to get out. I might.
We're all done. 1958 Chevy, half-ton short bed, big back window, real nice patina on it. Came out of Texas, pretty solid. It's going to need a partial floor pan. Cab corners are pretty good. Got nice color. Some bedwood put in it. Typical, right? But matching tailgate. That's a nice truck. Pretty complete. No motor in it now. We pulled it. It was still locked up 327 now that we needed some parts off of, so we took that out. Not original to this truck anyways. Good title on it. We're asking $10,500 on this one. That sounds expensive. Got to do some research on what the window cabs are bringing now. Big window cab off the truck that's solid is about $5,000 anymore. So the big window stuff is definitely a whole different animal as far as value goes. So 10.5 on this one. We can deliver it anywhere. We get a good title. We can export it. If you're interested in it, give us a holler, 412-335-6100. We can get it out to you wherever you're at. Don't forget to check out our website. Check out the new merchandise. We got new hoodies and t-shirts and stuff on there that are pretty awesome. We appreciate it. Helps us keep these videos rolling. Check that stuff out. We'll see you in the next video. Some cool stuff coming out. And check out this next little bit here about different types of vehicles we buy. Hey, thanks for watching our video. We really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have cars like these in your garage, if you have a fastback Mustang or convertible Impala, a nice original paint pickup truck or an old cab over truck, and you want to sell it, I'd love to try and put a deal together with you. You can get a hold of me at 412-335-6100. We pay excellent prices. We pay finder's fees. You know, it's no secret. We do make a little money on the YouTube videos, so that allows me to pay, you know, sometimes market value or really good prices for these cars. We'd love to come out and drag it out of your barn. We'd love to film it. We'd love for you to be a part of that whole process. So if you have an original paint or an original old fastback Mustang that needs work, like these ones I have on my trailer, or if you have an old pickup, or again, a convertible Impala, cab over truck, whether it doesn't matter where you are, we buy nationwide here in the United States, all the way as far as California. I've had stuff, New Mexico, Arizona, Oregon, Washington, high desert stuff we love. So, or if you're in the East Coast and it's a rusty Mustang or a rusty convertible Impala, that is fine. We typically don't buy many trucks on the East Coast, but I buy a lot of cars on the East Coast. If you have cab over parts also, especially for these early Fords, I'd be interested in that. It never hurts to send me an email or a text. IronCityGarage@gmail.com. You're welcome to send me an email or a text message, probably the best. You kind of get an instant answer that way. 412-335-6100. I'd love to talk to you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we can make a deal on what you guys have on your farms or in your garages.